Hi there, this is 47 and this is the blogging website which I built with the help of Django 4 and Bootstrap 5. This complete project is available on my GitHub profile. In case you like it, please make sure you star it, and I'll be continuously updating this website, so make sure you also fork it. So this website has a lot of features. I'll be giving an overview of everything in this video. This Django website has two apps. The one is this blog which you are seeing at the moment, and the other one is a personal portfolio. So if you just navigate to /portfolio, you will see this another app which is a personal portfolio. We have an about section, we have skills section, this GitHub stats. So the values in this GitHub stat is fetched automatically. So it's an API. You just have to add your own GitHub username. That's it. Then we have a career timeline, and then we have the blogs section. So you'll see 4 blogs here, which are the top 4 blogs. Then users can leave a message for you with this form. Then at the bottom below this copyright symbol, we have this unique visitors count. Now clicking on this view all page, it will take us to the main blog, which is the first app. This is the home page. If you scroll down, you will see 2 sections, the most viewed blogs and the recently updated blogs. So below that you have this contact card. Clicking on this contact will take you to the contact page. Going back, we have this small accordion. You can add the data as per your need. Then we have this quotes, 3 random quotes. This is fetched through an API, so every time you refresh a page, these quotes will change. Then we have this subscribe form. Users can subscribe their email address from here. Going back to the top, we have this small button to log in. Now if you can notice, I have also implemented this reCAPTCHA version 3 just to avoid any possible attacks. So as a new user, user will have to click here to sign up. He will have to fill in all the details and click on sign up. So this will send an verification email to his email address, and unless the user is verified, unless he verifies his email address, he won't be able to log into this website. So once he's verified with his email address, all you have to do is go here and log in. I will just log in with my account. So there are 3 types of account. The first one is the super user, the second is the staff, and the third one is the viewer. I will be describing all the their differences. So at the moment I logged in through a super user account. Clicking on this button, you will see various options. So a super user has this additional option called as admin panel. Clicking on this admin panel, you will see 4 options. So subscriptions are the ones which people subscribe from this at the bottom of this form. All the subscriptions will be listed here. Message box, so in case any user contacts us through this contact page, that will be mentioned here. Manage user will actually display all the users, available users. review blog. So okay, so since this is a super user account, a super user will have to approve a blog so as to get it live. So a staff user can only create a blog, he cannot make it live. He will have to send it to he will have to send the blog for approval, and then a super user approves that blog, and then that blog can be seen live. So at the moment, if you see here, we have one blog for approval. This is how it will look. A super user will have to click here to approve the blog, and then on the home page, every other users or any general people will be able to view this blog. Until then, it will just sit here. This is in regarding to a super user. So adding a blog, so if you see, this is a my blog section. So approved blog, so we only have one approved blog at the moment, not sent for review. So in case a user writes any composes any blog but does not send it for a review, it will be seen under this section. So this is the one blog which is not sent for the review. In case he sends for it, let's say send for review, you see at the top we have two blogs for review, and also here you will see pending review, these two blogs. A user can also withdraw this from review in case he wants to make any changes. So clicking on withdraw review, it will take it back. So this is the super user. Also, a super user can edit anyone's blog, any user's blog. A super user can delete any user's blog. A super user can change the password, can change the profile picture and all the details. A super user can do everything. This is in case of super user. Now let's log into a staff user. So I have a staff user called as staff@gmail.com. Okay, so now you can see this staff user does not have these additional options. Also, a staff user can only add a blog, and he can check his own blogs. So this is the add blog section. This is the title, a gist, and this is the Froala editor, and then save. These are the only options a staff user has. Now if you scroll down, you will see this blog. At the moment the total views is 0 because no one has really viewed it. So once I click here, the total views will become 1. Look, it is 1. So this is the blog's description page. Now you can see the approved time and approval user. Also, this is posted on this date and it is written by this user. Okay, this is the comment section. So since I am not logged in at the moment, I won't be able to comment here, but a visitor, the third type of user, is the viewer. Let me just log into a viewer, VIEWER @gmail.com. So all the users which create their account through the sign up page is basically a viewer. they will have to contact you in case they want to upgrade their account to staff or maybe to super user. Oh god, I really don't remember this password. Also, so in case a user forgets his password, he can just click here and reset his password. He will have to type in his email address and submit button. He will get an email with the password reset form, and that's how the user will be able to reset his password. So going to admin page, it will not take you to admin page. Just this is the fake admin page. Even if you log in with your real credentials, it will not work. This is just to avoid any unnecessary brute force attacks to your website. You will have to go to secret, then it will take you to actual admin page. You can edit this. Now since I have used secret, you can edit this and keep it anything you want, and that's it. Apart from this, if you just go at the bottom, you will see a few pages such as about page. This is the about page. Then you have contact page, you have legal page. This is the complete legal stuff. Then we have the donate page. Now apart from this, just as a security measure, I have linked this captcha thing on this contact page as well as on the login page, login and sign up page, just to avoid any unnecessary attacks. Apart from this, we have this social media links, and yeah, that's it.